I shouldn't just go ham on it. Tonight. I don't know, I'm just so happy, man. I feel back to normal when I go in the garage and I see all 3 bikes. It makes me happy. It makes me really happy. Yeah, I gotta fix this clutch. I don't know when they were using the bike if they changed the clutch or this is how I had it. I don't think this is how I had it because would I really set it up like the way it is right now? Because this is like pure trash. And if it is me who set it up like pure trash, then God help us all. Share the damn road with him? F you! Well, never mind, he did it. A little late, but he did it. He did it. I was about to curse the hell out of him. His booty was about to be on fire. Because I was finna light it up! I was finna light it up. By the way, let's do full throttle. This is full throttle, by the way. Oh, my bad. My hand slipped. I gotta stop doing those stuff like that. I'm not as cool as I think I am. Gotta really fix this clutch. See, there's a car coming out because over here people can pull out on you. See stuff like that, people. Illegal turns, but they do it. But they do it. I don't want to go too ham. See, no left turn right, that dude's doing it. Stuff like that you got to be careful about. Imagine when we get a full system on this. Not too raw, man. Not too raw. Not just yet, but later. Not tonight. We're not gonna go heavy tonight. So because of the protests and things like that, we can't go to the beach, all right? To the beach. We can't, because there's a lot of stuff happening right now. Or sadly, we can go there. It's gonna be a lot of restricted areas closed off, which it should be, because peaceful protests are occurring. So close out and redirect traffic into the appropriate places. To to the appropriate places. Argle bargle. Who watched a Superstore, huh? Who watched a Superstore out of here? Argle bargle. Dude, pull up your freaking shorts. Ain't nobody want to see that. Ain't nobody want to see that, man. Ain't nobody want to see that. I do get a little scared with Kakarot. I gotta ride it a lot more and a lot frequently because I know there's no electronics and stuff. So the things that I might do on Nimbus or Broly, they can be done on here, but they need to be done on here with more like precaution and stuff like that. I shouldn't just go ham on it. This car's coming and I don't trust them for somebody not to cut. I'm not gonna speed past them, I'm not just being stupid. Oh, I gotta stop doing that, man. Gotta stop doing that. Hey, you okay? Alright, be on your phone then instead of waving to a god. That demigod me. Homie, I'm going straight, homie. My voice is going. Gotta stop yelling so much. But that's the only way I can show you guys that I am the hype monster. The enthusiastic wankster. I don't know. I really don't know. I like that song by 50 Cent, Wankster. Is it called Wankster? Yeah, I think it's called Wankster. Pretty sure. See, good suspension. Good suspension. I don't know how you deal with suspension. I need to learn more about bikes. I don't even know anything about suspension or anything like that, man. But we just ride them dirty. That's all we do. We ride them dirty. And we ride them in a straight line with curves that we take very slowly because we are scared and fearful of our life. We are scared and fearful of our life. I'm playing. I'm playing. I gotta fix it, man. I gotta fix it. But I need to open everything and test it out. I don't want to swing it on the fly because I'm gonna stall and it's gonna be embarrassing, man. It's gonna be embarrassing. Embaracion. What is that? Spanish? Hell yeah. Or Colombiana. I don't know. Don't they speak the same language? I got the voice recorder thing, the H2N, H1N1, I don't know, whatever that stuff is, recorder, Zoom, in my backpack. So we're gonna test that out today as well. So I gotta pull over somewhere because we gotta take some pictures of this bad boy, man. Bad girl, right now. Sure. But I gotta get rear sets because the way that the rear sets are for the R6, and again, it's not me making excuses, but the rear sets, the way that they are. For me to engage the rear set or the downshift or the shifter or whatever, I have to put my boot up and then go down. But my boot, my legs are so high up that my boot, I can't bring it all the way up and get clearance to push down on gears. If that makes any sense at all. If that makes any sense at all. It's perfect for Nimbus and Broly, it's just not good for the R6. Or not as good for the R6. It's good, but it could be better. And that is too damn tight. And it kind of hurts my ankle, which I never had that problem on the other ones. It just does, girl, man. She a bad girl ribbon now. Bad girl ribbon now. Swerve woman now. He was looking, but then I looked at him and he looked away. You can ogle me, look at me, do all sorts of things like she's looking and he's looking. Yeah, he's looking. He's just staring at me and he loving it. He's staring at me and he loving it. Bad girl ribbon now. Swerve woman now. Yeah, I gotta fix this goddamn clutch, man. I'm looking like a freaking idiot. Street Rage. That's a little funky name for a car wash company. Bad girl ribbon now. Swerve feminine. Alright, there's Mr. Popo up there flashing his lights, pulling the car over. You know, I could save him right now. I could zoom past him and he'll have to go after me. But why would I do that? God forbid that I would do something so stupid like that. And hopefully all the camera angles are good too. I did it as quick as I could because I just wanted to go home. Or I just wanted to ride. Not go home, I just wanted to ride. We gotta be super quiet. Alright? Super quiet. Because Here's the Garmont. Here's everything, man. The hear everything, man. Where are they at, though? I can't see them. Yeah, I can see them. See the lights, though. And I'm hungry, thirsty. My body is aching, but for all because of the wrong reasons. All for the wrong reasons. All because of the wrong reasons. I don't know. Oh, that dude has a dream catcher in the car. Isn't that like a Native American thing? What is that? Is that seriously like the word says it is? Like the title, dream catcher? Is it really like for catching dreams? And if so, how so? How do you do that? Because that is kind of cool. Dream catcher. And there's another one right there. What are they gonna tag team him? I want to yell. I want to be happy, but I can't because my voice hurts. My throat hurts. Why do I yell so much that I feel like I just got deep throated so hard? Oh, perfect. Seriously, that's how you're gonna cut? Okay then. It was tight, but I didn't like what he did. Made me angry, man! You don't have for me like that. You don't cut me off like that. Unless you're like a Lambo with somebody. Then it's a brother to brother, man. It's a butt to butt, a booty to booty. It's cool. I'm gonna let it slide. But there's a lot of Mr. Popos out again because of the stuff happening. So we gotta be careful not to act a fool a little too much.
When you got